Hello y'all, this is Debra Taylor. I'm with the Houston Real Estate Services, and I have partnered with the Section 8 Queen. And when I say partnered with, that means that I have taken the time out to take her course to become educated on how to educate the constituents of Dallas and the surrounding cities on how to engage in and become a homeowner through the Section 8 program. Breon has given us a plethora of information. So I have now, you see I have my t-shirt on. It's because I'm now part of the Queen's Court. So, Ms. Breon, can you tell them a little bit about how they can become part of the Queen's Court?
Yes, there's a 3-part series. It is a requirement for anyone who is interested in becoming a part of the Section 8 Queen. We need you to take those classes. So look out for those classes to be advertised.
All right, you heard it from the Queen herself. Get to it.